and welcome to Newfoundland and Labrador Studies 2205. This is Unit 2, The Roots of Our Culture, Section 4, Lesson 3, Video 2, on Tangible and Intangible Heritage. Let's talk about tangible heritage first. Heritage can be divided into two categories, tangible heritage and intangible heritage. Firstly is tangible. It encompasses items that you can see, touch, or handle. This is sometimes referred to as material culture. Tangible heritage can also be divided into built heritage and movable heritage. Built heritage includes buildings, structures, and engineering works like roads, bridges, and fences. I have some examples of built heritage here: Hawthorne Cottage in Brigus, Cabot Tower in St. John's, and the Colonial Building, also in St. John's. Movable heritage mostly is made up of objects used in daily life. This is made of artifacts, artistic works, tools, textiles, and fossils. Documents, books, and other archival materials also fall under movable heritage. Many families hand down tangible heritage through photographs, letters, and family heirlooms from one generation to the next. Like I mentioned my aunt in the previous video. She has a lot of photographs of our family members, marriage certificates, death certificates, birth certificates. All of these things are movable, tangible heritage. Similarly, museums and historic sites display items of tangible heritage for many people to be able to experience in person. Here we have a fossil at the Mistaken Point site, along with an Innu bonnet, caribou and seal furs, and this image from men who are in the Newfoundland Regiment can all be seen at the rooms. Now let's talk about intangible heritage. Intangible heritage is sometimes called living heritage because it is very much alive and always changing. According to UNESCO, it includes living expressions and traditions inherited and passed down from generation to generation. Traditional songs, stories, dances, dialects, expressions, skills, and knowledge are all part of intangible heritage. And skills are an interesting part of intangible heritage as well. Let's talk about some examples of that. So my first example is the cod trap. That would be part of tangible heritage because it is an object, it is a thing. But the knowledge and ability to knit the netting with a needle to create that cod trap is part of intangible heritage. It's skills acquired. Another wonderful example are Innu tea dolls. The doll itself is part of tangible heritage, but the skills needed to construct and sew one is part of intangible heritage. You have to remember, intangible heritage is fluid and always changing, just like storytelling. Every time it is told, the details are slightly different, ever-changing and evolving. That's why we've utilized storytelling as the fine arts focus for this unit. So now it's time to review what we've learned. Please complete the activities in Brightspace, and I hope you have a great day.